In this video, you learn how to search on Instagram without an account. If you find this helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. To search on Instagram without an account, you will have to go out of the Instagram app and go to your browser. Then you'll have to navigate to google.com, and then what we can do is type in instagram.com, and then after this you have to type in the Instagram account you want to search for. So let's type in Tesla, go to search, and right here in the top you'll find the Instagram account you're probably looking for. Then what you have to do is put your finger on it until open in new tab appears, otherwise you will be guided back to the app, and that's not what we want. So click on open in new tab, then click on the new tab we've just created, and here it will say see full profile in the app, but you have to click on the little cross in the top right. So right here you see the Instagram account you were searching for without an account. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.